Most people believe working harder is the only way to earn more money, but there's a hidden limit to that idea. If you're trading your time for money, your income is always capped because you only have 24 hours in a day. No matter how hard you work, you can't scale your time. The wealthy understand something different. They don't just work for money, they build systems that generate money without their constant effort. There are two types of income: active income and passive income. Active income is what most people rely on. It's your salary or hourly wage. If you stop working, the income stops. Passive income, on the other hand, continues to flow even when you're not actively involved. And this is where real wealth begins. To build financial stability, you need multiple income streams. The first is dividend investing, owning shares in companies that pay you regularly just for holding them. The second is digital assets, creating something once, like content or software, and earning from it over time. The third is real estate, owning property that generates consistent monthly income. The fourth is high-yield savings or investments, making sure your money is always working, even when it's sitting. And the fifth is business automation, building systems that deliver value without your constant attention. The goal isn't just to stay busy, it's to build something that grows beyond your time. Start small. Take a portion of your active income and invest it into one of these streams. Then slowly expand. Over time, these streams can grow and begin to cover your expenses. And when your income no longer depends on your time, you gain something far more valuable than money: freedom. Stop trading your life for a paycheck. Start building systems that work for you. This is how wealth is created. This is how your financial future changes.
Thanks for watching. If you're serious about growing your money and thinking like the wealthy, subscribe for more powerful insights.